Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to connect CapCut to TikTok in iPhone. Let's go. CapCut is a free video editing platform that allows users to transform their CapCut edits into templates. And with CapCut's seamless integration within the TikTok app, this template feature has taken TikTok by storm, turning one-off edits into full-blown viral trends. First of all, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Make sure that TikTok is installed on your iPhone. Now at the bottom right, you will see this Me icon. Tap on it. Here, you will see your ID. Now tap on these three lines at the top. Then, tap on Manage Accounts. As you can see, my CapCut account is not linked with my email, so it is asking me to link it with email. But my CapCut account has already been linked with the TikTok, as you can see. So if you want to link your TikTok account, just tap on Manage Accounts, and your account will be linked. CapCut is perfect for crafting engaging content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. It even supports direct exports to TikTok. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.